Assalamu alaikum, dear students. I hope you all are fine. Today we are here to read another story and it's our story time. So let's start and see कि आज हम story time में कौन सी story पढ़ने जा रहे हैं. Yes, बहुत interesting और मज़े की story है and this story is about two-letter phonogram ch, k, sh. And you know it has how many sounds? 3 sounds. As I've told you the sounds also कि इसकी 3 sound है और आज की स्टोरी में सारी sounds आने वाली हैं. तो आप लोगों ने इस स्टोरी को बहुत केयरफुली सुनना है क्योंकि स्टोरी के एंड में मैं आप लोगों को एक असाइनमेंट देने जा रही हूँ जो आप लोगों ने कंप्लीट करनी है और मुझे सेंड करनी है. इज़ दैट क्लियर? सो लेट्स स्टार्ट आवर स्टोरी. Yes, as I have told you that CH has 3 sounds. Ch as in chicken, K as in school, and Sh as in chef. Clear? So let's start our story. So what happened? One day C was swimming in the pond with its friend H. Yes, C was swimming in the pond with its friend H. And what else the C was doing? C was giggling and making sound like k, s. As you know that C has 2 sounds, so C was swimming and giggling and making a sound like k, s. And what happened next? As I've told you that H is also swimming with C, while H was uttering sound like yes, as you know that H has sound, so both were swimming and making sound like their own sounds. And what happened next? There was a man whose name was Chuhan Ali. There was a man, as you can see in the picture, whose name was Chuhan Ali. He was fishing there. As you can see in the picture, he was fishing there. He caught them in a net. He caught them in a net. किस किस को पकड़ लिया? Yes, C and H जो swimming कर रहे थे pond को, उन्हें पकड़ लिया चौहान अली ने. When they were held together in a net. And they were held together in a net. And now let's see कि what will happen next with them. क्योंकि अब चौहान अली ने उन्हें पकड़ लिया है और वो इकट्ठे एक नेट में हैं. सो लेट्स सी कि आगे क्या होता है स्टोरी में. They were making strangled cry as ch, k, sh. They were making strangled cry ch, k, sh. Because now they are together. जैसा कि मैंने आप लोगों को पहले बताया था प्रीवियस पेज में कि C और H इकट्ठे हैं एक नेट में and now they are strangled. They are making a strangled cry in a net as ch, k, sh, and they are in a net. So let's see what will happen next with them. Oh, so here's the picture of Chicago. So let's read and see. Chuhan went to Chicago. Who went? Chuhan. As I've told you, Chuhan Ali who was fishing there. So what happened? Chuhan went to Chicago with her sister Chandni. Here's a Chandni also. So Chuhan and Chandni went to Chicago. She wanted to meet her friend Charlotte. Yes, Chandni wanted to meet her friend Charlotte. So they are in Chicago and Chandni wanted to meet her friend whose name was Charlotte. So let's go and see what will happen next. Oh, there's the airport here is an airport and it's an airport in Chicago. Now they have reached Chicago. When they will reach there, a chauffeur, yes, as you can see in the picture, a chauffeur, which is driver, came to receive them in a Porsche, came to receive them in a Porsche. Yes, the name of this vehicle is Porsche. इस गाड़ी का नाम क्या है? Porsche. So एक शोफर आया चांदनी और चौहान को रिसीव करने ओहेयर एयरपोर्ट पर, और एक गाड़ी में जिसका नाम है पोर्शे. सो लेट्स सी के व्हाट विल हैपन नेक्स्ट. So Chandni, let me tell you something about Chandni. And Chandni was very charming, cheerful and chubby. Yes, Chandni was very charming, cheerful and chubby. As you can see in the picture also, she is very charming, cheerful and chubby. She wanted to become a chemist. She wanted to become a chemist. ओके, केमिस्ट पता है आप लोगों को किसको बोलते हैं? यस, जो पर्सन मेडिसिन से डील करता है उसको बोलते हैं केमिस्ट. सो चांदनी वांटेड टू बिकम अ chemist. Now let me tell you something about her friend whose name is, and you can see in the picture, he is chemist also, and she wanted to become a chemist, as I've told you. So now let's see, and let me tell you about her friend Charlotte. So Charlotte was an elegant chica. Charlotte was an elegant chica, as you can see in the picture also. And what's the meaning of chica? Yes, little girl. Okay, Charlotte was an elegant chica. She wanted to become an architect. She wanted to become an architect. Yes, she was an elegant chica and she wanted to become an architect. So what will happen next? Now they are in Chicago. They went to picnic and they cherished it with chocolate cheesecake with cherries. Yes, chocolate cheesecake with cherries. As you can see in the picture, it's a chocolate cheesecake with cherries on it, and it's really yummy. So they cherished picnic with chocolate cheesecake with cherries. It's yummy. And they also enjoyed chili chicken with pistachios. Yes, they enjoyed chili chicken with pistachios on it, and it's also very classy one and delicious one. So they are going to have a very interesting and very foodie kind of picnic. And what else they enjoyed? Yes, garlic chops. They also enjoyed garlic chops on the picnic. They had fun. So they ate a lot and they had great fun. And now you are going to do something in this story. What you are going to do? Yes, we have read many words in which there are three sounds, ch, k and ch. And what you are going to do, you have to find out all the sounds and you have to write them on a paper like this. You will write first sound here, second sound here and third sound here, and you have to send me that picture. I'll check your work and I'll give you feedback. Either you can differentiate between the sounds or not. We'll meet inshallah in next lesson. I hope you will read it and listen it and do your work. Allah Hafiz.